Hi everyone, David here from BEYONDEV, and as you can see, got myself in a bit of a pickle. I was involved in a rear end accident and I thought I'd take the opportunity to document the process I'm going to follow to get this repaired in a little mini series on BEYONDEV, your home for everything BYD. So yes, my BYD Seal Premium behind me was involved in a rear end incident earlier this week, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to go through the process of what to do if you own a BYD and you're involved in an incident, particularly if you're not at fault. I know there's been a few questions online about the repairability and servicing times and repair times, so I thought if I could do this in real time, it might give you an idea of what to expect, or at least even provide some comfort if you find yourself in the same situation. So first of all, if you're not at fault, BYD actually has a number of authorized repairers that specialize in BYD vehicle repairs, and if you jump on their website, there is a list of those that you can find nearest to you. So I'll put that up here now. All you need to do is just Google BYD repair, and the first thing that comes up is approved panel repairers. Scroll down that list and you'll see a number of authorised or approved repairers in each state. So I'm in Victoria, and the one I picked was actually Sheen Panel Service in Cheltenham, and the day after the incident occurred, I gave them a call and they told me to come in straight away. So took my car down there and had it assessed by the guys at Sheen Panel Cheltenham, and I must say that the service I received and the information they were able to provide was phenomenal. They were very professional, very courteous. I was in and out fairly quickly. They took some photos of the affected areas, had me fill out some forms, and I was pretty much told I'd be on my way and they'd give me a call when to come back and get the repairs done. Now, if you're a not at fault party in one of these claims, there's basically two options you can go down. You can go through the other party's insurance, because they're the one at fault. They're going to have to raise a claim and you can use their claim policy to process your repairs, or you can do what's called a third party recovery. Now, that involves getting a lawyer involved to act on your behalf to pursue repairs and damages for your car from the other party's insurer. Now, I'm not going to tell you which way to go. You need to just go through what's involved with each side and make a determination based on your personal circumstances. But they're basically the two options. You don't have to raise a claim yourself through your own insurer. In fact, it's best not to, so you don't affect your own premiums or anything going forward. Always use either the other party's insurer or go through a third party recovery depending on your circumstances. So I've come back, the car is drivable. I'm going to keep driving it around. I'm waiting to hear back from the repairers just to see when parts and everything will be available, and I think they've got to do a proper assessment, pull it apart and just see what else is wrong with it. And after that, I'll do another episode and give you some more updates. So that's it for now. If you've been involved in an accident, if you're a BYD owner and you've been involved in an accident, it'd be awesome to hear from you in the comments just to see how long everything took and if it was a smooth process. Let me know down in the comments. I'm pretty responsive. Will reply if you've got any questions or anything like that. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel for more content related to BYD. We've got plenty more headed your way. That's it for now, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.